the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack and India's swift response to Operation Sindhu, the skies saw more than just retaliation. They saw history. For the first time, a Chinese origin PL-15E air-to-air missile fired by Pakistan was intercepted mid-air and its fragments were recovered in Indian territory. What followed wasn't just a tactical victory. It opened a rare window into one of the most secretive weapons in the modern world. So what makes intercepting China's PL-15E a big milestone, and why countries like France and Japan want the pieces of this missile? Well, allow me to decode this for you. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. So what happened on May 9? Well, on May 9, debris of a Chinese-made PL-15E missile was recovered in Hoshiarpur, Punjab. It had been fired by a Pakistani JF-17 fighter jet during a 4-day aerial engagement following Operation Sindhu. The Indian Air Force, using electronic warfare systems, neutralized the missile mid-air. Now, this moment was important because this was the first time globally that a PL-15E missile had been defeated in combat and recovered largely intact. Now, moving on to the main question, what is the PL-15E missile? Well, the PL-15E is a long-range air-to-air missile developed by China. It was designed to compete with Western missiles like the AIM-120 AMRAAM and Meteor missiles. It has various key features. For example, it has a range of 200 to 300 kilometers. It has a speed of over Mach 5. It has advanced AESA radar and has a motor which is dual pulse solid rocket, enabling strong end-game tracking. This missile is usually deployed on Chinese jets like the J-10C, J-16 and J-20 stealth fighters. Its secrecy had been tightly guarded until now. Now, moving on to the main question, how India stopped this missile? Well, India's integrated air defense featuring the S-400 system and indigenous Akash Tir tracked and intercepted the PL-15E. The interception proves that India's electronic warfare and surveillance capabilities are world-class. Therefore, for India, this is not just debris, it is a technological gold mine because the data can help Indian defense scientists improve indigenous air defense systems and countermeasures. Now, following this, global interest in the pieces of this PL-15E missile has surged. Nations including US, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, that is the Five Eyes, along with France and Japan, have reportedly shown interest in studying the wreckage of this missile. The missile's parts could reveal critical data like radar signature, guidance tech, propulsion details, and the much sought after AESA radar system. But why France and Japan are interested in studying the pieces of this missile? Well, France's Meteor missile is used by India's Rafale jets and it is a direct rival to the PL-15E. Studying the PL-15E helps assess whether the Meteor still holds an edge in speed, targeting and resilience. Similarly, with rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific, Japan seeks to modernize its air force. Overall, understanding the PL-15E will help boost Japanese missile defense and radar systems against possible Chinese threats. Therefore, India's interception of the PL-15E is not just a tactical success, it is a strategic game changer. Now, as major global powers line up to examine what Pakistan fired and India foiled, it marks a shift in the balance of air power, where data, intelligence and innovation are now just as important as firepower. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.